Hey y'all, it's your girl Keena with SweetGemLife. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all see it, it's time. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all know I get super excited when VB shows up in the mail. I just have a super soft spot for them. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're OG, welcome back. Today we are unboxing the February 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit. Whew, it's titled Little Magic Ave. Y'all, let's get into this. If you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. So y'all, here is this month's menu kit. The menu, like we're gonna eat. Okay, here is the card. It says stop and make today magical. Y'all, I'm loving these pastel colors. The butterflies are everything. So if you're new here, I am going to unbox this in the order that it's listed here. I want to show something that I never usually show on my videos, and that's the kit envelope. I know that a lot of people use these for a lot of different things, and up until now, I've just been using them to house the bits and pieces that I wasn't using immediately. But your girl has some plans for these. Stay tuned for a future video. But let's go ahead and get into this kit. First things first, we have the Rose Gold Mini Planner Folio. Y'all, if y'all have been around for a while, then you know this is, I believe, the third folio that's been put out by VillaBeauTIFFul. I could most definitely be off. Y'all, look at the hardware. Ooh, child, get in my hand. Y'all, look at that. That is beautiful. And y'all know I'm not a fan of rose gold. It has been growing on me. So we have a folio here. I have a pink one that came in a kit a few months ago. Y'all, it's just exciting stuff. So we've got these mesh pockets, two here, and we've got a pen loop here in the middle. So this is the Rose Gold Mini Planner Folio. The next item up is the dangle paper clip set. Y'all, I have recently started getting into the paper clips. I will not show my current collection because it is a bit ignorant. But these are gorgeous. I love the black hardware. We have a circle one that says you are lovely with the moon in the middle. And then we have this rose gold butterfly. And what I love, let's take it off so you can see. What I love most about VillaBeauTIFFul stuff, their accessories and stuff like this, is they're always engraved on the back. Do y'all see that? Your girl done upgraded her lighting. Y'all see this? We lit. For real. So the accessories and stuff like this are engraved on the back. Like, see here, she has the whole VillaBeauTIFFul logo. Let's see if we can get that. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. And then on this one, she just has the VB. They're both VillaBeauTIFFul logos. Let's just not forget that. But they're both engraved. So these are the charm. Come on, act right. Charm paper clips that are in the kit this month. Okay, next item in the box is the Pastel Washi. We have the 15mm and we have the 7.5mm. So this is a pastel. It has a pastel background, the purples, the pinks, some oranges here. And then we have the rose gold, moon, stars, hearts, and lightning bolts. Cue the Harry Potter. So here is the 15mm washi in this month's kit, and here is the 7.5mm. Here we have a pink and white checked background with the rose gold butterflies. I'm trying to find the end of the roll so I can roll this out for y'all. Here we go. And there y'all go. Very pretty, very, you know, springy. We're ready to bring in spring. The colors are here, and so is the rose gold. So these are the washi rolls in this month's kit. Next item up, sticker book time. Y'all know. Let me get in it. So again, this month's kit is titled Little Magic Ave. and it is a collaboration with Little Magic Prints. It is the February 2021 box. As you can see already, it's been the pinks, the purples, the yellows, the oranges, the pastels with rose gold foil. So let's flip through this book. You know, you always get your I guess you can call it a sampler sheet. It always features the pin of the month here. Here's our first page of full boxes, Up in the Clouds. I love that. And this is making me homesick. She's ready to go back home. We have some icons. We've got some pay bill stickers. I really wish Tiffany would go ahead and sell these separately because I love them. We've got some more icons down here. Some more full boxes, some clipboards, some scanny boxes here, quarter boxes I should say. We've got some half boxes that are rounded, squared, and then we have some that are irregularly shaped. We've got headers, we've got double quarter boxes. Isn't that strange to say? And we've got some scallops over here. Be you, do you, for you. Love it. Then we have our deco sheet. Yes, ma'am. With our different face tones. Yes, ma'am. We've got checklists, flags, banners, all of the above. We have our two date covers, two sets of date covers, which is one of the things I really love about the VillaBeauTIFFul sticker book. You can get at the very least 2 weeks, 2 spreads, 2 weeks out of this book. Now, I really think you could stretch this book an entire month if you do the right thing, which is why I wish there were some more Bill Do stickers in here. All right, Tiffany, do you hear me? Thank you. So then we have our flags. We have these tabs here, and then over the last, I want to say 5 or 6 kits, we have the double boxes here. We've got our hexagons, the end. So this is the sticker book for this month. Next up, we have these transparent page flag set. Y'all know this is not a new item. We've been seeing this. I love them. And they've been coming regularly, and it has all of the colors of this month's kit. What happened here? Get it together, fam. All right, so we've got the white, the mustard yellow. Is it mustard? It looks a little off. It's yellow. We have this coral color, the pink and the blue, matches the colors of the kit. This is the transparent page flag set. Now we have something fairly new to VB. We've got some vellum sticky notes, and y'all, between Simply Gilded and Rose Colored Days and now Cookie Sticker Co., I've really been falling in love with the vellum sticky notes. So we have, oh, they're pretty thick. Yes, we're working on that. And I have a micro perm pen over here so we can do a test on it. So we're going to do a test with this micro perm pen, which I already know is going to dry immediately. I have it because because of Simply Gilded. It's like every time she sends out vellum sticky notes, she sends out a micro perm, and I love it. And actually, I need to see if I'm able to order one from Amazon. But let me grab a VB pen because I did see Tiffany do a test. Which one? Let's go with this one. This pen, before you guys start asking me, is from the Valentine's Day 2020 release. Okay, boom, we're done. So I saw Tiffany, look at the color payoff, Jesus, on that, do a test. It smears slightly, so you're gonna have to let it dry. So let's do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 seconds, no smearing. This is the Vellum Moon sticky note in this month's kit, and it does say here that I'm taking a look at the menu card. It says pen ink may smear, please wait to dry. So there's that. Pay attention, folks. Next item is the adhesive pocket set. Y'all, I can't talk today. We've got 3 different sizes. you know what's crazy, y'all? I recently destashed and sent some packages to some Happy Meal to some friends because your girl has gone overboard with the buying and the sending and the doing and all the things. So I realized I had a lot of stuff, and I ended up sending it out to several friends, and I came across quite a few adhesive pockets that I did keep for myself because I'm not giving away no adhesive pockets, which they're mostly from VillaBeauTIFFul. So there's that. So we've got the smaller size with this beautiful butterfly and this blue background here. And then we have, it says stop and make today magical, pink background with the butterfly, stop sign. And then we have the larger one with the clouds with the purple background. So these are the 3 adhesive pocket set in this month's kit. Next up, we have our transparent stickers and cards. Let's go ahead and see what we have this month. This is another item I'm becoming quickly attached to, especially the cards, but we'll get to those in just a second. We've got our stickers. We have the transparent bar stickers, the shape stickers 1, shape stickers 2, our icon stickers, our corner stickers, our open shapes, and our transparent words or scripts. I love these this month. I'm gonna have to see if I can grab another. And then we have our transparent cards. We have You Are Magical. We have the phases of the moon with some flowers. We have Growing Takes Time, Nothing But a Fact. And then we have Sis. That's her name. Her name is Sis. She's got a nose ring. Yeah. Sis is out here being magical. So these are the transparent stickers and cards this month. Y'all see it. Y'all know what time it is. It is time for the pen of the month. This month's pen is titled none other than Little Magic Ave. Did I say that the name of the kit was Little Magic Prince? Y'all don't pay me no mind. Y'all know better. Y'all know better than to listen to me. The name of the pen is Little Magic Avenue. Look at me retitling things. It has black matte paint, rose gold hardware. There are, okay, it says, I'll read the description. It says moon sequins are randomly scattered inside crystal chamber, which can cause some clumping of sequins. So we have the black moon sequins in there with some champagne and clear colored crystals, y'all. How you like that this month? I love that this one here is, not saying there aren't others, but this one here is neutral enough. Just neutral enough for everyday use. Who am I kidding? I use all of the pens every day. So he's the pen of the month. And every pen that you purchase from VillaBeauTIFFul will come with a refill. The next item is the lovely Key Moon keychain. Let's get this open. This is heavy duty, y'all. Ooh. So we have the gunmetal hardware. We have, okay, come on. Thank you. We have our key and it says lovely, and it has this white paint with the gold, with the glitter in there, and it's really pretty, y'all. And then we have a lightning bolt over here and a moon over here with the stars on the moon. Again, all of the items have the VB logo on the back. Loving it. So this is the lovely Key Moon keychain. Come on. Lastly, but certainly not leastly, y'all know I have to try it every month. We have our paper pack. Y'all will be proud of me. I have been using my papers. So we get 4 cardstock and 2 vellum. I'll just go through them so you can see. This is cardstock. Ooh. Y'all, this is making me want to go watch Harry Potter. Ooh, pretty. That's very pretty. So those are the cardstock, and these are the 2 vellum papers. We've got our butterflies. Come on. And we have our flowers. Isn't it pretty, y'all? So these are the paper pack. This is the paper pack, y'all. Pretty, pretty. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for sticking in there with me. This is the February 2021 VillaBeauTIFFul kit titled Little Magic Ave, which was a collab with Little Magic Prints. I'll have all of the information down in the description box, including when you can get your hands on this kit. Make sure you use my code down in the description box, save you a couple of coins. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.